is our lessons for today. Okay, please listen, Gian, as I will discuss this lesson. So, basic checkmates or checkmate patterns. In this part, we will be looking at the most common configuration of pieces for achieving a checkmate. It's important to know which pieces you will need to corner the enemy king. Okay? So this is what it said, Gian. Learn what pieces you will need to use to checkmate your opponent's king. So you don't start an attack without enough firepower to finish the job. These patterns can appear in many different positions, and later parts of this tutorial will focus on some of those in more detail. Okay, from this position, Gian. Okay, okay, wait, Gian. Okay. Okay, from the start from this position, Gian. Okay, starting from this position. So this is the position about checkmate using your queen and knight. So queen checkmates. Okay. So this is the diagram position. So you have two pieces, or combine your two pieces, knight and queen, to checkmate your opponent's king. So this is the rules of chess, how to win the game. So if you checkmated your opponent's king, you won the game. So checkmate meaning the king has no legal square to move. The king is under attack and there is no escape for the black king. So he cannot get out of check. So when the king cannot get out of check, meaning the king is checkmate. So queen checkmates, the queen is the most deadly of the pieces for performing a checkmate. At close range, the queen can trap the enemy king at the side of the board and cover all his escape squares by herself. Despite this power, the queen can still be captured like any other piece. So usually, the queen relies on the support of a second piece when delivering checkmate. Here are some examples. So this is an example, Gian, how to checkmate the king. Okay? So the black king is checkmate. And then you won the game. Okay, next. Okay, next, Gianna. Okay, checkmate with a knight and queen. Okay, so next position, Gian. A checkmate with queen and bishop. So this is the bishop is on d5 square. And the queen is on the g2 square. G5. And on the second rank, the queen. Meaning the queen is on g2 attacking the white king. So the white king is checkmated. And white lose the game. Okay? Next. Okay. Another position is checkmate with queen and rook. Okay? So this is the rook. And this is the queen, checkmating the white king. Okay? So this is about checkmate pattern position. So there is no escape for the white queen. The next is checkmate with queen and pawn. Okay? Checkmate with queen and pawn. Your queen is supported with your pawn. So black king cannot capture the queen because there is a pawn. Supported the queen. Okay, next. Checkmate with queen and pawn. Okay, next example. Checkmate with queen and king. Okay, Gian, that is an example of checkmate with queen and king. So the black king is checkmated and you won the game. So if you are black, you lose the game if your king is checkmate. Next, sometimes the queen is able to checkmate the enemy king all by herself if one or more the king's escape squares are blocked by his own pieces. The following two examples are worth remembering. So the queen, sometimes the queen Gian can checkmate your opponent's king without any support. So, or you can use your queen alone. So, if the king is on the corner, so there is no escape square for the black king, and he cannot move his king in front of his pawn because the square is occupied by black pawn. So, don't forget about this position, Gian. The king is on the corner, and you have a lone queen to use to checkmate your opponent's king. Okay? So, this position will sometimes will occur on the chessboard, or you can encounter that on your future game. Okay, next example, Gian. Okay, next example. Checkmate with a queen alone. Okay. So this example, Gian, is the same position. Checkmate with queen alone. Only the queen can checkmate the enemy king. So the black king, there is no escape squares for the black king. So he cannot move his king to the next square because the square is occupied with the rook. Okay, next. Next example, rook checkmate. Okay. So this is how to use your pieces, Gian. How to checkmate your opponent's king. So rook checkmates. How to use the rook. Okay. So what is the rook, Gian? Okay. According to this study, rooks are less powerful than the queen. Okay. And so usually need at least one of other piece to cover the enemy king's escape squares. A common type of rook checkmate is the back rank mate, which is so important it will have its own part later. Here are some of the most common checkmate patterns featuring rooks. So this is the checkmate pattern about rook checkmate. So the black king is checkmated with your rooks. Okay? So, this position Gian, if you have a king and your opponent's king is in the front of your king, and then you can mate the king with your rook. Attack the king with your rook, and the king is checkmate. Okay, checkmate with rook and king. Okay, that is the name of how to use your pieces, king and rook, to checkmate your opponent's king. Checkmate with rook and king. Okay, next example, Gian. Checkmate with rook. Okay. So your queen and rook use your pieces to attack your opponent's king and checkmate your opponent's king to win the game. Okay, this is checkmate with rook and queen. Okay, next example, Gian. Okay, this is what we call Arabian mate, rook and knight. Okay, Arabian mate. So the white king is on the corner, and then you can checkmate with your rook and knight. So Arabian mate. Okay, next example. Next example, Anastasia mate. Anastasia made the same ideas, rook and knight, but the position is different. The knight control the two squares and the rook is on a distance. Okay, the Arabian position Gian is the knight supported the rook and checkmate the king. While the Anastasia, the knight is not supported the rook, but the function of the knight is to control the escape square for the black king. And the rook is on a distance, attacking the king and checkmate. Okay, next example Gian, Anastasia made rook and knight. So next example, checkmate with rook and bishop. So this is the position, is an example of checkmating pattern position. The black king is checkmate with the rook and bishop. So the bishop control the two squares, G7 and H8, and the rook attacking the king. So he cannot escape to the H8 square because there is a bishop on F6. So the black king is checkmate with rook and bishop. Okay, next example, Gian. Okay, checkmate with rook and bishop. Okay, checkmate with two rooks. Okay, checkmate with two rooks. So, okay, Gian. So, checkmate with two rooks, Gian. You can use your rooks attacking your opponent's king. So, you can use the rooks on the second rank, like this position. Or sometimes, on the 7th rank, if your opponent's king is on the corner or on the wing side. So, you can checkmate your opponent's king. Checkmate with two rooks. Checkmate with two rooks. So this is the two rooks. Checkmate the king. Okay, next example, Gian. Okay, because there's so many different types of checkmate, Gian. So that's why you learn different types of checkmate position before you start to play chess. Because if you know the basic ideas how to checkmate your opponent's king, then when you play chess, so meaning you can understand how to move your pieces, how to attack your opponent's king and checkmate the king and win the game. So bishop and knight checkmate. Okay, so this is about checkmate with bishop and queen. Checkmate with minor pieces is less common than with the rook and queen, as the bishop and knight cover fewer squares and therefore must rely on more pieces to help them in surrounding the enemy king. However, there are still a few notable checkmate patterns featuring bishop and knights that are worth remembering. Knights have a special type of checkmate called a smothered mate, later in the tutorial. So this is about checkmate with bishop and queen. So the checkmate Gian about bishop and knight is not common or less common position. So the most common chess position about checkmate pattern is the queen and rook and rook, queen and bishop. Okay, so next example. So this is the checkmate pattern position about rook and bishop. Checkmate with bishop and queen. So this is rook and bishop is called Murphy's mate, bishop and rook. So this position Gian is called Murphy's mate, bishop and rook, using your bishop and rook. Okay, the black king is checkmate with the bishop. He cannot move to g8 because the g8 square is controlled by the rook. Okay, next. Checkmate with king and 2 bishops. So meaning Gian, your 2 pieces, your 2 bishops can checkmate your opponent's king, like this position. Okay, this is an example. The bishop controlling the white square. The black king cannot move to this square because the king is in check. So you cannot move your king into a square which is in check. So the bishop is attacking the king and the king is no legal square to move. Okay, 2 bishop checkmate. Okay, next position diyan. Checkmate with knight and queen. Okay, knight and queen. So this is the knight and queen. Use your knight and queen to checkmate your opponent's king. Okay, next position. Rook and knight. Checkmate with knight and rook. Okay, this one. Okay, checkmate with knight and rook. Okay, another example diyan. Checkmate with knight and bishop position. So this one, knight and bishop position. Meaning the bishop and knight can checkmate with your opponent's king. Checkmate with king, knight and bishop. Okay, next example. This position is called Blackburn's mate. Knight and 2 bishop. Okay, knight with 2 bishop. Okay, pawn mates. So this is the last ideas about meeting patterns. Diyan, pawn checkmate. So meaning diyan, your pawn can checkmate or can deliver checkmate to your opponent's king. So at this time diyan, you can see a lot of positions about checkmate. So you are ready to solve about checkmate pattern position. So I will give you a test later. Okay. So before we go to our test, Gian, or we try to test your knowledge about checkmate position. So here is the position about pawn checkmates. Even the lowly pawn can checkmate the enemy king with adequate support from the other pieces. The limited mobility of the pawn makes this kind of checkmate somewhat rare, but they are known to happen when the enemy king is restricted in his movements. So checkmate with king and 2 pawns. So this is the position diyan about pawn checkmate. Okay, next position diyan. Checkmate with pawn and rooks. Okay, the king is checkmate with rook and pawn. Okay, let's go diyan to another chess lesson. Our next lesson, so is about so we try diyan to test your knowledge, is to solve about checkmate pattern position. Okay, wait diyan So this is our next lesson, how to solve chess pattern position. Okay, wait diyan So this is not okay, wait diyan. Okay. So this is our next lesson, is how to solve this position one move checkmate. Okay, one move checkmate. Okay, let us start diyan. So this is the position. Okay, Okay, let us analyze Gian. So according to what you've learned, Gian, from our previous topic, checkmate position. So here in this position, Gian, use your queen. Okay, one move checkmate, Gian, only one. So in this lesson, Gian, is about mate in one, white to move. Meaning, you need to checkmate your opponent's king with one move. So we try to test your knowledge about checkmate pattern position. So in this position, use your queen Gian to checkmate your opponent's king. Okay? So, what is the correct answer Gian? So, where to move this queen to checkmate the black king? Okay, your answer Gian?
Black.
Oh, so white to move. You are white. You are playing white. So you need to checkmate the opponent's king. So what is the how to use your queen?
Bring the window king.
Queen. Okay. Louder, Gian. Please.
Play the bishop.
Okay, correct. Queen. Capture the bishop. Okay. Okay, correct. Okay, next. Next example, Gian. Okay. Use your queen, Gian, to checkmate your opponent's king. Only one move. Okay? Okay, louder, Gian. What is your answer? Okay, think, Gian. Okay, analyze, Gian, if you do not know or if you are not sure about your move. So, analyze. So, you have a time, Gian, 4 minutes.
The horse kill the pawn.
Okay, the knight. So, Gian, this is what we call the knight. Okay, Gian, in chess, this is the knight, not a horse. Okay? In chess, we use the word knight or the term knight is a Frank word. So, the horse is an English term. So, the knight. So, according to your move, Gian, the knight capture the pawn. So, there is no checkmate, Gian, if you capture the pawn, the knight with the pawn. Follow my instruction, Gian. Use your queen to checkmate the black king. So, what will you do for your queen? So, I will give you the hint, Gian. Use your queen. No other pieces, only queen. Queen? Queen what? Okay, analyze. So, what will you do to your queen? Queen? So, the same ideas, Gian, from the previous diagram. Queen? Okay, Gian, your answer in the previous diagram, queen capture bishop, di ba? Okay? So, and then the black king is checkmate. So, in this position, queen what? Queen?
To the horse.
Capture the pawn. So, Gian, you cannot capture your own pieces. Okay? Only your opponent's pieces. Okay? Queen, capture this pawn. This pawn, Gian. Okay? So, you enter the strongest move. The correct move is queen takes pawn. Okay? Okay, look at this move, Gian. Queen takes h7. Because this square, Gian, is the 7th rank. And the queen is on the h5. That's why the answer is queen. This is the symbol, Gian. how to record your queen. The symbol of the queen is queen. Letter Q, big letter. Then X is the symbol of capture. And H is the file. The H file. The queen belongs to the H file. And the number 7 is the number of the rank. So queen takes H7. Okay? Okay, next, Jian. Okay, next position, Jian. So, how to checkmate your opponent's king with your queen? Okay, what will you do to your queen, Jian? How to checkmate the black king? So, very simple, Jian.
Go to the middle of the king.
Oh, Jian, analyze, Jian. Okay, Jian, analyze. Okay, analyze. Okay, analyze, Jian. So, where to move your queen to checkmate your opponent's king?
Go to the king.
Queen? Queen what, Jian? Queen? So, where to move the queen?
To the
Front of king.
front, yeah.
Yeah, okay, correct. Move you cannot capture the pawn because your queen is no support. So, because there is no knight on G5. Okay? The previous position, the knight is on G5. So, you can capture the pawn. But this position without knight, so it is not possible to capture the pawn. But you have a pawn on F6, so you move your queen in the front of the king. Queen G7. Okay? So, correct. Okay, look at the answer, Jian. Queen G7, after Queen G7, the score is 1-0, meaning white won the game. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, next. So, you understand how to use your pieces, how to checkmate this position. Okay, next, Jian. Okay. So, in this lesson, Jian, so how to use your rook. Okay, Jian, listen to this or pay attention to this Jian, to H3 or to B7. Okay, okay, analyze Jian. So where is the checkmate position? So how to checkmate the black king? You move the rook to B7 or H3. Analyze Jian, analyze. So analyze these two squares. So what will happen if you move your rook to H3? So what will happen if you move the rook to B7?
Check.
Oh, which square, Jian? H3 or B7? Okay, analyze.
B7.
Okay, B7, Jian. There is no checkmate about B7 because the black king can go to or can escape to H8 square or H6. Okay? So the correct move, Jian, is rook H3. The black king cannot escape and the black king escape. Okay? Because there is no escape. He cannot escape to G7 because this square is under control by the pawn on it. Okay? Okay, next. Next, Jan. So this is the answer. Rook H3. Okay, next. Oh, in this position, Jan, how to use the rook. So where to put the rook to checkmate the black queen, the black king? Okay, Jian. Okay, analyze Gian. Where to put this rook? Okay. To checkmate the blocking. O any of this square Gian along the file. So where to move the rook? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So which of these squares? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So which of these square to put the rook to checkmate the blocking?
4.
Louder, Gian. Where to move the rook? To the last?
8, 4.
In this square, Gian. So where to move is on the last rank. Last square, Gian. Okay? This square. Okay? It's 8. It's 8, Gian. Okay?
Okay.
It's 8. This is the number 8. The last the 8th rank. So the blocking is checkmate with your bishop and rook. Okay? Okay. Okay, next. So the correct answer, Gian, rook h8. The rook is on h file, rank number 8. And black king is checkmate. And white won the game. Or you won the game. Okay? Okay, next example. Next example. Okay, Dian. The bishop control the squares along the diagonal. Okay, control this diagonal square. So, use the rook Dian to checkmate your opponent's king. So, where to move this rook? Okay, Dian? Okay. Analyze, Dian. Analyze. So, use this rook, Dian, to attack the king. So, which square, Dian, to move the rook?
G.
Okay, G1.
G1.
Okay. Attacking the blocking. So, this, your rook attacking the blocking, check, and then he cannot escape to h8 because there is a bishop or you have a bishop. So the black king is checkmate. Okay? So, Gian, you learn and you understand about what is a checkmate position. So you learn about checkmate pattern position. So these basic ideas is so very important because you learn the basic ideas how to checkmate your opponent's king and won the game. So Gian, you learn how to play chess because you want to play and win the game. So you didn't learn to play chess because you want to move the pieces. Okay? You learn chess because you want to win the game. Say, okay, you win more games, not you learn what to move the pieces or how to move the pieces. But learn how to move the pieces is the part of a chess. Okay?
Okay.
Okay, that is the correct move, rook g1. And the score is 1-0 and white is winning or white won the game. Okay? The next example. Next example. Okay, the bishop, Gian, your bishop control the g8 square or attacking the g8 square. Okay, the same ideas, Gian. Where to move the rook to attack your opponent's king and checkmate the king?
H1.
Wow, very good. So, h1. h1. So, you enter the strongest move, correct? So, your move, Gian, is rook h1 is correct. And you have a score 1-0, meaning white is winning. and you won the game. Okay, next. Okay, Gian, in this position, this is Arabian mate. Okay, Arabian. So you move the rook to a distance and the knight is controlling the square. Okay. Where to move the rook, Gian? The same position, the same ideas. Rook.
H1.
Okay, very good. The same ideas. Rook H1. Okay, the correct move is rook H1. The king is checkmate. He cannot get out to G8 or G6 because you have a knight. Okay, this square is guarded with your knight. So the king. Okay, very good, Gian. So you understand what is checkmate. Okay, next. Okay, next position, Gian. Where to move the rook, Gian? Use your rook to checkmate the king. Rook. Which square, Gian?
G1.
Yes, very good. Okay, very good, Gian. Escape to H8 or H6 or F6 or F8 because you have a king and your knight guarded the square or H8 and H6. So the king cannot escape. And you entered the correct move, rook G1. The score is 1-0. Okay, very good, Gian. Next. So in this position, Gian. Okay, learn about pieces. Okay. The long range pieces, Gian, is the bishop. The bishop is moving diagonal direction. The bishop on F4, Gian, control the squares, diagonal squares. From F4, E5, D6, C7, and B8. So use your bishop, Gian. So move your bishop along the diagonal square, attacking your opponent's king, and checkmate. So where to move the bishop, Gian, to attack the king? Which square, Gian? Okay. Find the right square, Gian. Where to move the bishop? Okay, analyze. Okay, please louder, Gian.
6A.
8-6. A6, Gian. The correct move is A6. Okay? Okay. So, Gian, this is a letter A. At the bottom of the board. So, you can see the letter from A to H. This letter is represent the file, okay? And the number is represent the rank. So you move the bishop to A6. And the black king is checkmate. Okay? Okay, next example. So, may I see if the move is correct? So, bishop A6. Okay? So, next. Okay, next example. Okay, next example. How to use the rook to checkmate the black king. Okay, where to move the rook, Gian?
8B.
To check. Oh, okay, D8. D8. Okay. D5 and 8 rank. So the black king is checkmate with your bishop and rook. So this is a checkmate position. Okay? So the correct move is rook D8. 1-0. Meaning white is winning or you won the game. Okay, next example diyan. It's very simple diyan. Or what will you do to the bishop? To checkmate the black king. Okay, diyan, what will you do to the bishop? This bishop diyan, not the D4 bishop. So the D4 bishop diyan, attacking the, controlling the squares. Okay, bishop ano diyan? Bishop what?
D4.
What diyan is your move? Please louder. D4.
Yeah.
Therefore, you cannot move diyan. So, the correct move diyan is to capture the pawn. Okay, look at this bishop diyan. Your bishop diyan attacking the pawn. Oh, so this bishop, your bishop is attacking the pawn on h7. So you can capture the bishop because you have a knight on g5. Okay? So this is the correct move. Capture the pawn. Okay? So the correct move is bishop takes h7. So you there is, and then your, because la no longer inset. Okay? So that is the correct move. Okay, next example diyan. Next example. Okay. Use your queen at diyan. Okay, use your queen to checkmate the black king with your queen and bishop. Okay, win. What will you win? Win.
Win. Play the pawn.
Okay, okay, correct. Queen takes pawn or queen takes f7. So the black king is checkmate with your queen and bishop. Okay? Okay. The correct move is queen takes f7. 1-0 and white won the game. Okay, another example diyan, more example. Okay. Where to move your queen diyan to checkmate your opponent's king? Okay, analyze diyan. One move made and the black king is checkmate.
5-8.
Queen.
5.
Louder diyan.
5-8.
Okay, queen h5. Queen h5 diyan ha, not queen 5 5h. Okay?
Okay.
That of the pieces, the queen. And then next, after the queen, you write the letter, the file of the square. Okay? The file of the square is on letter H. And the last is the number of the rank. And not the number Gianna and the file. Okay? Not queen 5H. Okay? Only queen H5. Okay, next. Next example diyan. Next example. Okay, you can use the rook diyan to create back rank mates. Okay, use the rook diyan to checkmate your opponent's king. Okay, where to move the rook to checkmate the king? Where to move the rook to checkmate the black king?
E8.
Okay, very good. So your answer is correct. Rook E8. Okay, the correct move is rook E8.
E8.
The symbol of the number is meaning checkmate. After rook E8, the black king is checkmate. He cannot get out of this attack. So the score is 1-0. White is winning. Okay, next. Okay, next. Oh, the same ideas, Gian. Use your queen to checkmate the black king with your queen and bishop. So, what will you do, Gian, for your queen?
With the pawn.
Okay, very good. Queen takes h7 or queen takes pawn. Okay, the correct answer is queen takes h7 or queen x h7, and the score is 1-0. White is winning. Okay, next example. Okay, next example. Okay, another type of position, back rank mate. Use your rook, Gian, to create back rank mate. So where to move the rook? Rook
8 D8.
Okay, very good. Rook D8, the black king is checkmate because he cannot block the check with his rook because the rook is pinned with your queen. Okay? So this is Gian open check. So if black move his rook to F8 to block the rook, then his king is checked with your queen. So he cannot block that attack of the rook. So his king is checkmate. So the correct move is rook D8. The score is 1-0. White is winning. Okay, next. Another example. Okay, side to move. Okay, in this position, Gian, so do not use the rook. Only knight. Okay, where to move the knight, Gian? To checkmate the black king. G6 or F7. So the bishop control the G8 square. Okay, wait, Gianna. The bishop Gian on B3 control the G8 square so that the black king is not allowed to move to G8 square. And this pawn on H7 is pinned with the rook on H1. So where to move the knight to attack the king? To analyze, Gianna, analyze. To F7. If you move the knight to F7, you block the diagonal square of your bishop. So, but on G6, there is no blockade on this position. So, where to move the knight? F7 or G6?
F7.
Okay, F7. Okay. Analyze, Gian. So, examine the two squares, Gian. What happened if the knight is on E7, the black king is checkmate or not? So what happened if the knight is on G6, the black king is checkmate or not? So what is your final answer, Gian? Knight?
Knight. Go to F7.
Okay. So your answer, Gian, if you move your knight to F7, then the black king will go to G8 because you block the bishop. Okay? So, The correct answer diyan is knight G6. So if you move your knight to F7 diyan, so the black king can go to G8. Okay?
Okay.
So the correct answer diyan is knight G6. Checkmate. Okay. Look at this position diyan. So black, look at the position diyan. Black can capture the knight because the king is open check. Okay? He cannot capture the knight because his king is checked with the rook. Okay? Okay, correct. So the correct move is knight G6. Okay, next. Okay, Jian. Okay, Jian. So, according to our first lessons, Jian, you learn about the rules, how to move the pieces. That is our first lesson. Okay? So, we apply in this position about how to promote your pawn. It's about pawn promotion. Okay? If you can promote your pawn, you can change your pawn into pieces. So whatever pieces you want, it depends on the position. Okay? So the queen Jian control the 7th rank and your pawn control the square E6, G6. Your king control the square G5. Okay, Jian. What is Jian? If you promote this pawn, so what piece you can get?
Queen.
Okay. So if you can get a queen, there is checkmate or not? There is checkmate? No. So meaning there is no checkmate if you promote your pawn and get a new queen. So what will you do? Okay, okay. Listen to me, Gianna. Okay, listen. If you capture the rook, Gian, and you get a new queen, you cannot checkmate the black king. So what piece you need to get, Gian? The rook, the bishop, the knight. What piece, Gian? Okay, listen, Diana. If you capture the rook, and if you can get a new queen, there is no checkmate. If you can get a new rook, there is no checkmate. So what piece you can get, or what piece you need to checkmate the black king?
Queen.
Oh no. So if you get a new queen, the queen cannot check the king. So what is the correct move? The knight. You need a knight. So knight. So after you get a knight, okay, the black king is checkmate. Okay? So you write the move if takes G8, knight, and the black king is checkmate. Okay, Gian, it depends on the position. Okay? Okay, next. Okay. In this position, Gian, is about how to promote your pawn promotion. So if you promote your pawn, Gian, what piece you can get to checkmate the black king? Pawn o bishop? Okay, analyze Gian. What piece you need to checkmate the black king? Rook, queen, knight, bishop. Okay, analyze Gian. What piece? So if you try to promote this pawn, what piece, Gian? Knight, bishop, rook, or queen?
Bishop.
Oh, bishop diyan, there is no checkmate. Okay, analyze. Rook, bishop, knight, queen.
Oh, queen.
Yes, very good. Queen, not. If you take the bishop diyan, the king will go to d8. Okay? He can escape. So the correct move is queen. Okay, very good. The f8 equal queen and the black king is checkmate. And then your score is 1-0. Okay, next. In this type of position diyan, okay, one move. Okay, one move diyan, ha? Okay. So this is the correct move diyan. So this is the correct move. This pawn will take the knight, not this f7 pawn will take the knight. So if you promote this pawn diyan, d7 will take the knight. What piece you can get diyan? Rook, knight, bishop, queen. So what piece you can get?
Rook.
Okay, analyze diyan, ha? What piece you can get? Rook, knight, bishop, queen. Analyze diyan.
Queen.
What diyan?
Queen.
Oh, queen. Okay. Okay, visualize the position diyan, ha? If you take the knight and get a new queen, the black king is check with the rook and your queen is double check, but the black king will go out to f6 square. Or the black king can get out to f6 square.
Bishop.
Bishop. So if bishop, the same position, the king will move to f6.
The queen.
Queen? Oh, the same position, the king will go to f6. Oh, what piece? Yeah. Rook, queen, knight, bishop, queen. Okay, any of the pieces diyan, rook, knight, bishop, and queen.
Rook.
Rook? Oh, the same. The king will go to f6. Okay, what piece diyan? So, what piece you never mention diyan? So, you mention the queen, the rook, the bishop.
Knight.
Okay, knight. So, if you get a new knight diyan, so the king can't escape to f6 square because the knight will control the f6 square. The king is check with the rook. Then he cannot get out of this check and the black king is checkmate. Okay? Okay, next. Last diyan, last. Okay, last. Oh, the same position diyan from the previous. Where to move the bishop? Okay. Okay. Diyan, where to move the bishop? Bishop, A6. Okay, correct. Okay, see you tomorrow, Jian. Thank you very much. So you answer